Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dian Maharani. My student number 2401072001 and I'm from class 4F. This video is part of my critical listening assessment. Before I start, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered where your plastic bottle goes after you throw it away? Most of you just throw it in the trash and forget about it, but the truth is plastic never really disappears. It stays in our environment for a very long time. In this video, I will present a critical review of the video about plastic pollution and explain their idea, fact, and messenger. So let's begin. Summary of that video. First thing first, let's start about the first video. The first video explained that plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental problems in the modern world. Plastic was created to make life easier, softer, and more practical. However, humans started to use plastic excessively without thinking about the long-term impact. As a result, plastic waste is now everywhere on land, in real life, and especially in the ones. The video show how plastic pollution affects natural and living organisms. The main idea of this video is that plastic itself is useful, but human behavior has turning it into a serious environmental problem. Now let's move to the second video. The second video tells the story of what happened to plastic after we throw it away. It follows three different plastic bottles. The first bottle where it stayed for hundreds of years. The second bottles and up in the ones where it harms marine animals. The third bottles is rightly and turn it into a new product. The main idea of this video is that the future of plastic depends on our action. What we do determines whether plastic becomes waste or something useful again. Analysis of facts. There are several important and shocking facts from this video. First thing first, humans produce millions of tons of plastic every year and the number keeps increasing. And the second, only a small amount of plastic is reclaimed while most of it becomes waste. And the third, plastic takes a very long time to decompose. Some plastic can last for hundreds of even and thousands of years. This means that plastic we use today may still exist in the future. And the fourth, many marine animals such as fish, turtle, and bird mistake plastic for food. This can cause serious harm or even death. And the fifth, plastic does not complete disappear. It breaks down until very small pieces called the microplastic, which can enter the food chain and eventually be consumed by humans. And for me, the most shocking fact is the plastic can come back to use all the food we it. This is so that plastic pollution is not only an environmental problem but also a healthy problem. Comparison of structure. Comparison of structure. The two videos use different structure to deliver their message. The first video used a cause and effect structure. It explained how human action cause plastic pollution and what impact it has on the environmental. On the other hand, the second video used a chronological structure. It is so the journey of plastic step by step from being used, tucked away, and ending up in different plastic. In my opinion, the first video is more informative while the second video is more enjoyable because it tells a story. And both videos are effective but in different way. Inference and what if. Now let's think more deeply use some what if questions. First thing first, what if plastic had never been invented? I think the world will be cleaner and less pollution. However, many modern products will not exist or will be more and expensive. Life will be less confined but more environmentally friendly. And the second, what if all plastic bottles were relaxed? The environmentally will be much cleaner and there will be less waste in landfill and once recycling will be reduce pollution and even create job opportunity. However, this will require strong system and awareness from society. And the third, what if I were the person who threw plastic until the once? I will feel responsibility and recall my action. I will change my behavior, my reduction. Plastic use, recycling properly, and encouraging others to care more about the environmental. The questions so that our action have consequences and we have the power to make better choices. Conclusion and reflection. In conclusion, both videos show that plastic is not the main problem. The real problem is how humans use and mechanize plastic waste. Plastic is useful but without responsibility, it becomes a serious threat to the environmental and to human life. And after watching this video, I feel more aware and responsibility. I realize that even small action such as reducing plastic use, reusing items, and relaxing can make a big difference. And from now on, I will try to change my daily habits, such as using responsible bottles and reducing single-use plastic. As closing, thank you for watching my video. Let's start making small changes from ourselves because protecting the earth in our responsibility. Remember that future of our planet depends on what we today. And see you next time. And have a great day. Maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.